की लिस्टिंग की। डेटा पैटर्न्स की शानदार लिस्टिंग हुई, करीब 50% के प्रीमियम पर ये स्टॉक लिस्ट हुआ। लेकिन अब आगे की योजनाएं क्या हैं, इस पर बातचीत करेंगे। हमारे साथ डेटा पैटर्न्स इंडिया के सीएमडी श्रीनिवास गोपाला रंगराजन हमारे साथ मौजूद है। रंगराजन जी नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको सबसे पहले तो इस अच्छी लिस्टिंग के लिए। आप क्योंकि कंपनी लिस्ट हो चुकी है, ऐसे में सबसे पहली चीज तो यही कि जिन निवेशकों ने आपकी कंपनी पर भरोसा जताकर पैसा लगाया है, उनके लिए आपके कमेंट्स क्या होंगे, ग्रोथ ट्रिगर्स क्या हैं आपकी कंपनी के लिए, वो बताइए।
See, we have good orders and contracts on hand. One large order from MOD, the rest are from DRDO and space. These are some are in development contracts and some are repeat contracts of what we have done. The important thing is that we have developed and delivered a number of products in the last 4-5 years. Most of them have completed certification, so we are expecting repeat contracts from them in the next couple of years. These will be large-sized opportunities which will help us scale the company to much larger heights. The second opportunity is that on products we are now delivering which are undergoing certification. These are in the EW range, a number of products end-to-end. What earlier India has been importing, we have jointly developed with DRDO. These contracts, once after certification, I expect again repeat contracts to happen in the next 3 to 4 years time or 2 years time. This will build in scale and a capability that we can address complete solutions going ahead. So this is where we are presently.
मिस्टर रंगराजन, आपने कहा कि आपकी ऑर्डर बुक काफी मजबूत है, एमओडी डीआरडीओ से बड़े ऑर्डर्स आपके पास है, तो एक चीज समझना चाहेंगे, आपका जो ऑर्डर बुक का साइज है ओवरऑल अभी कहां स्टैंड करता है और किन किन सेक्टर्स का कंट्रीब्यूशन इसमें है?
Today we have about 600 crores of contracts, and this year beginning I'm saying, and we delivered some systems in the last 6 months or 9 months. We are also getting more orders in the last 6-8 months we've got. So we're expecting another few hundred crores contracts in the next 6 to 7 months time. So we have an order book and expected order book. So we are okay with the kind of revenue and the growth. I think we should be able to grow 35 to 40% year on year in the next 2 years based on the expected orders.
इनफैक्ट ये तो एक एनकरेजिंग आपका आउटलुक है कि अगले 2 साल में 35 से 40% की ग्रोथ आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं। अच्छा, एक चीज और, अगर आपकी जो ओवरऑल ऑर्डर बुक देखें तो आपकी जो ज्यादा डिपेंडेंसी है वो गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर्स के ऊपर है, तो क्या गोइंग फॉरवर्ड ऐसा होगा कि आप डाइवर्सिफाई करेंगे और जो डिपेंडेंसी गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर्स पर है उसको कम करेंगे?
Yes, see, defense India is government driven, okay, as of now, because all along the last 70 odd years India has been importing the defense equipment. Today government has brought in initiatives and processes to see that this is addressed by Indian industry. So there's an enormous opportunity which is getting created in India, and so it will not be right not to address the opportunities. We work with DRDO to make the competencies and products. Now 80% of the overall requirement is now getting addressed by Indian systems, Indian products. So we would definitely have to address the market because that will bring substantial scale to our business in data patterns as a full equipment supplier. But that's not all. Like you said very clearly, we need to also look at other markets and exports. We are already exporting a bit, about 10 to 12% of our revenue is getting exported mostly to UK. We do the airborne avionics, signal processor for the very modern radar to UK, which is getting exported elsewhere. And they've been very happy with our products, the way we have designed it and developed it. So they have given us 2 other versions of it which we have developed and delivered, which has also finished certification. So we are delivering the 100 systems this month to them, and they are expecting to give 200 systems additional orders in the next quarter to address their requirements in the world market. So there is a small amount of scale which is happening in the business which is getting from UK. But more importantly, we are also looking at joint development with a German company, with a Swedish company. We are trying to do systems where a large portion is designed in India, some portion we take from them to address the opportunities both in India and outside India. So that also has been initiated. We are also want to look at satellite as a business. We have a complete competency to build complete satellites. Markets have not opened up to these requirements. we are trying to push the barrier in Indian context.
जी, इनफैक्ट मिस्टर रंगराजन, सैटेलाइट का आपने जिक्र किया, तो सैटेलाइट्स पर तो आप काम कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन हम क्विकली ये भी जानना चाहते हैं कि कौन कौन सी नई टेक्नोलॉजी है जिस पर आप अभी फिलहाल फोकस कर रहे हैं, जहां पर हम नए एक्सपेंशन आपकी ओर से होते हुए देखेंगे।
See, we have done a lot of work in satellites. We've built, ISRO is doing all the satellites for India today. We are looking at a small satellite program using commercial off-the-shelf components rather than military grade or radiation grade components which is used by ISRO. We have done a couple of systems. We have launched one. We are doing 2 more small systems for satellites for private sector. Even ISRO uses our nanosatellite hardware and Earth station, ground stations for their own programs. We want to scale that business opportunity. Look at commercial off-the-shelf components for lower Earth orbit satellites and build complete competency for defense and non-defense. We're working on that. We're looking at market opportunities in India and outside India. So that is the one area we've worked on this for the last 7-8 years and built up a complete competency here. We're looking at how to address that and take this forward as a marketing model. We need to work on that to market, but the competencies have been built.
चलिए, शुक्रिया मिस्टर रंगराजन, आपने बातचीत की CNBC आवाज से। कंग्रेचुलेशंस एक बार फिर से अच्छी लिस्टिंग के लिए और गुड लक आपको फ्यूचर के लिए। तो ये आपने बातचीत सुनी मिस्टर रंगराजन के साथ, आज की नई लिस्टिंग, आगे का ग्रोथ आउटलुक। रुक रहे हैं इसी के साथ एक ब्रेक के लिए, लौटेंगे तो गौरव बिस्सा हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं, उनसे मार्केट पर स्ट्रैटेजी समझेंगे, लेंगे उनकी टॉपिक्स भी एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद।